Right here, so take your ear, the two out of order. Welcome YouTube, and we're back.
Finally back.
I know. I hope you guys didn't miss us too much. I know that we missed you, and we're happy to be back in front of the camera.
Yeah, we took our exam break. Well, she took her exam.
I had to, no choice, guilty.
I did nothing.
But anyways, going straight into the video, guys. Today's video, as you can see in the description, is eat it or wear it challenge, right? And the instructions are simple. So we have two bags here. One with the word eat and wear on it, and the next one with the options of the table that we have right here. I'll put a picture somewhere on the screen
so you can see the items that would be.
We're mostly focusing on ourselves right now.
Yes.
So the bag that has, we're going to go in the bag and we're going to choose whether eat or wear. Two of us can get eat, two of us can get wear, one can get each. But in a case where one of us gets eat and the other one has to wear, whoever gets eat, choose the options of what we're going to eat and what the other person is going to wear. So it's one per draw. And if we both get the same thing, whoever chooses at random.
Yeah.
Yeah, so let's go.
Alright, so another bag here, happy?
No, that bag is the food options. So you want to go,
we're going to eat it and wear it before we go.
No, we're going to choose who's going to eat or wear first. Oh, it started! Guys, if you see the options, you know why I'm behaving this way. Alright, so I'm going to pick first. I'm not going to look. I'm not going to look. Now have a look yet, so now have a look. Choose something now? No, sir, guys, it's like a wicked to yourself. Choose something.
I just know that eat this in my hand.
Just take something, babe. Alright, so ready? Let's see who gets what. Me get weird. But oh, me get for weird. So you have to choose. So, he has each, so he's gonna choose. He's gonna choose. He's gonna
Why
choose.
me, Jesus?
He's gonna choose. Choose what we gonna have to eat, or I'm gonna have to wear.
Come on, Jesus. I don't want to eat the egg. Give me some chocolate or something.
Yes, Jesus! Why? I'm sure, Captain, this is good for the ear. Yes!
So why you not putting it? Why you going to show a cap for?
No, but it's right down my ear. Raw egg that's good for the ear. Protein treatment. Same time. Stream time.
So we have to eat it?
Yes! Yes, now we hear it. No problem. Ready?
Gonna have me there.
Fresh mind, man. I smell that thing. Ready, man. It's ever right down my ear. I'm not a second guess. Is it going in there?
You want me to show it in there?
You want to put it in there? Jesus! No! Whip it up.
You know me whip up, come on, come.
Oh my god! Ugh, no! It says weird. I ain't eating it.
It is a weird food. Alright. YouTube.
Nice for protein treatment though, still, you know. Not so long.
YouTube, this is for you. I'm excited to kill me.
Oh Jesus, thank you God. Thank God that this, me never want to eat this without anything.
Hey, say eat it?
Well, what if I put bar bucket in or something and get ready for you?
If me eat it, everybody will watch that video or not feel like it.
Give that thumbs up, man.
Or not, I feel like it if me eat it. If me eat it, just
Go through. You can do it. Go
if
through.
me eat it, like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Jesus.
That's about it. Tastes, you know, it tastes so weird. It's just like
It's slimy.
it's slimy. That's about it. No, I'm not.
Next one.
Still giving me like.
He put it in his mouth. That was good enough because I wouldn't.
I put them out.
Nice protein treatment, you know, nice. Yes.
You get little protein in my body.
Next one. Oh my god. Alright, so I
feel nervous.
I throw something.
Oh my god.
You see already? We're both get eaten. Let's open something sweet. You chose to sell, you chose.
I mean, I'm not okay. I can't better go there and chocolate and go eat.
Jesus! God!
Show them how. Wrong side that. Wrong side that.
Wrong side?
Oh, at the right side. Sorry, my bad.
I have no idea what's going to show properly. So we have to crunch eggshells now. In fact, that's how we now are okay. What have we choose the egg for the first time then if we eat?
No, sir.
Come here. It's your game, now it's no time.
I don't feel good. The egg made me nervous.
Me now waste no time. You can't eat it.
Ah! Jesus Christ!
No, off ready now.
Biscuit. Munch it down, mama.
It's like crab shell. Crab like them, the shell. We used to make a crunch crab like them, you know, so I know nothing decent. Oh, too bad. Too bad.
Ew.
Too bad. Not too bad.
No,
Not too bad, man. Not too bad.
And the worst part, we can't drink no water in between.
Well, yeah, we can, but we never carry on. We're not too smart.
That's so bad. Come, Shadeka, give me something sweet. Go,
But we never get sweet. We never get sweet.
You know, don't get deep.
We get it. Woo! Yeah, weird.
God is on my side. Come, give me something good. Let me see it.
I pick up paper. I made the paper.
You have to wear up the paper. Where you wear it from now?
No! You have it in your ear. Jesus Christ, Orain, the egg top of a bun, you know.
Come, see.
Jesus.
Father, I'm gonna hope this don't make me ear drop out. Yes, it is.
It's like pepper crab, you know? Not too bad. Not too bad. Not bad at all. Not too bad. Oh yes, guys. Nail cam, you know? Yes. Look at the stunners. Yes. Anywho. Next, go straight into it.
So I got one wear it. Bad to bad in makeup.
Mom, I don't know where you can put pepper on the back of your neck, sir. But say another belly, so my belly nice. Eat me good.
Alright, I want me get to wear something
Choose up
pepper,
something to wear.
something nice and I get to
Go me beer. Yeah, we only have two nice options, you know. Give me one. Yes! Chocolate.
So if we wear the chocolate?
No, when you wanted to put enough of the right here. Chocolate is smooth, you know.
Cool me down chocolate.
No, we want it right.
Yes, chocolate. Cool down body. This is fun. Oh, baby. Come, Shadeka, choose one, make we see.
You can eat like, you know, one to my belly.
No, sir. Look at me, I'm going so.
Alright, you're trying to
No, man, just shake it a bit.
And them thing are heavy,
There's no room in there. Alright. Come on. Sardines. 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 What's that? Two plates of them? That's all?
I don't want to be a raw sardine or you.
Yeah, two plates of them.
Come.
Sardines.
What's in the egg you have, Lord?
Right there. When belly run tonight, okay? Belly I go run. Quick. That's it.
Yes. It's not all your wife you're talking about me and you get eat. Move, man. Bridget, now come over.
Alright, come on here. So people, if you like the video so far, please like, give us a thumbs up, and if you're new around here, but how? Like, my ask sweet, I would get it, cause me,
the cheese is moldy too. It's
good.
Look at it, red. I've never seen this on a bread before. I'm gladly wear it. Don't know how I'm gonna wear it. See, tell me wear it. I'll put this right here, so. Cheese. And broccoli and cut behind it, so safe it for and look right in later. Yes. No problem, we wear this, no problem. Thank you, God. I will never ever eat this. But you invite somebody to go down there tonight.
The rat.
You must say invite or roach and everything.
Go. Just grab one, yeah, man, grab one.
Why look like the bag in a shortage of weird?
The bag just wicked to it, sir.
Excuse me.
Not even gonna shape up nothing, just have me deep the hand in here, cause at this point, I don't think it can get worse than the egg.
With numb Rastafari. I think he kinda just did.
So we are gonna eat tissue paper.
Take your off. That sounds good.
Nah. That's what this is right now. Here's it, trying to taste it, man. Come on. Back to back, come.
No.
Yum paper. Yeah, eat paper. Eat the paper. Yum the paper.
No.
Yum the paper.
It's hard.
Yum the paper. Come. We are eating together.
Sit this at my ass crack.
Him.
No more.
May God help us today.
Next.
Come on. That's around.
What year?
I don't want that and I don't want it.
I'm tired to eat. I'm tired, but don't hungry. I'm tired to eat.
I hope it's not the nicest then.
Jesus, look what I got. Cayenne milk.
This is a mixture of cayenne pepper and almond milk.
No, it's not almond milk, it's cow's milk. And guess what? Cow's milk don't sit well with us eat anymore. Well, it don't sit well with him from day one. But since me purge my body, it don't sit well with me no more. So this is a double pain. Outside. So what does it do? Are we here with it? I never did expect it so strong. No, I must have pepper in it.
You know what a cayenne pepper? A cayenne pepper, so it's powder.
What? What? What?
You feel it.
What?
It feels nice, don't it?
Whoa!
I like that game, man.
come on.
This is what I got. Hopefully it's not becoming jerky. Gummy worms, come on.
Rocking the foot.
That's his back one.
Me ever get to eat. So tell me now, universe, you look like me hungry? I mean, no, I look fatter than Orain. You look like me hungry.
That's why I'm Muslim guy always eat.
I'm the paper, boy. I'm the paper.
Come, take up one of that.
Look how God bless me come here. Can we just eat?
Father God bless me now. Come Jesus, hot dog mix.
Syrup, yes. But wait, guys, it's concentrate syrup, you know, so this is not sweet. This will mix with water. This is our melon.
What's up? Sugar and sugar dry me house.
Woo! Woo! It's sweet and it's
yeah man,
it calms down, you know, it calms down the pepper.
Yeah man, it's nice.
Oh yeah, you are drinking. We're supposed to.
Where is that?
Think you want me to add it. Done.
Alright, come again.
Done.
Oh, what is? This is a weird alarm song. Sure. Heavy?
Just weird. Come on, you haven't chosen a while.
Gummy beer.
But me not choose eat or weird yet, or you just
It's what we choose.
weird, I choose.
A weird
Oh, I like you, tell you, no Jesus.
Father God.
That was a lovely weird, don't you?
Yeah man, the weird is good.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, I don't know. If me do this, you have to leave a comment. Give him a comment. Comment.
We only have one thing left. We know it's going to be the hot dog sauce mixture, but it's whether we're going to eat it or we're into the two of us.
Shake up the bag. Take your hand outside the bag.
So we're going to shake it up.
Me no know. Take your hand outside the bag. And you see her drop out.
Hey!
You drop out the weird. Look there.
And it is.
A cheat. Cheater.
Pumpkin.
You cannot change your spot. Take your hand outside the bag, bro. Father God.
Okay, no.
Come, take up the bag.
No. Nah, it's over. Take your, see, we get my weird right here, so take your eat the two out of order.
Go, get them.
Jesus!
Yeah, fresh out more.
The chair must with me, me done with that. No, sir, this can make the done.
Boy, yeah, lean back. You know this, come in. Go back and look on the edge.
No, my battery too big for this. On the edge?
Right, that's what, don't go around.
On the edge. Jesus Christ. Or bad done, yeah? So we get weird.
Alright, so I chose eat. Actually, I get
So
weird.
this is hot dog sauce. So this is everything you would think to get on a hot dog. It's relish, mustard, ketchup, pickled pepper, mayonnaise, the works practically. And I have to wear it.
This not smells. Ooh, it smells like a hot dog.
Ooh! I'm done with this.
Guys, if you made it to the end of the video, please like, share,
I'ma just kneel down.
comment.
Yeah, I'ma just kneel.
And make sure you subscribe to leave us your suggestions and other challenges that you would like us to do.
And if you like this challenge, guys, we're gonna have a playlist for you guys to watch. More of them. Please click on it and get to know us some more. Guys, remember to always like, subscribe. It actually helps our video to get pushed by YouTube and being new and knowing and doing it the right way. That helps a lot. So thanks for the support. We appreciate it.
Thanks for tuning in this week. Be safe. God bless
Wait,
you
Orain.
all.
Don't tell me say still have something right there, sir.
Really? you forgot the cheese.
Me forget the cheese. Ew, this is warm.
It's warm.
Oh.
Bye guys.
Bye.
It's warm, Shadeka.